Are you tired of battling your thermostat like it's an unwinnable game of chess? Fear not, savvy homeowners. Welcome to the age of smart thermostats, where you can ditch the heated debates over too hot or too cold and embrace temperature bliss with just a tap on your phone. In this video, we're diving into the best smart thermostats that not only keep your home cozy, but also bring your energy bills to heel. Let's turn up the heat on smart living. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Amazon Smart Thermostat, our pick for best budget smart thermostat. Are you tired of wrestling with your thermostat like it's a stubborn toddler? The Amazon Smart Thermostat is your trusty sidekick in the quest for home comfort while giving Mother Earth a gentle hug. This clever little gadget doesn't just adjust the temperature, it transforms your home into an energy-efficient sanctuary. With support for temperature sensors, you can use compatible Echo devices like the Echo Dot or the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor to kick those hot and cold spots to the curb. No more dodging chilly drafts or shivering in your own living room. But wait, there's more. After you snag the thermostat, expect an email from Amazon detailing sweet rebates from your local energy providers. Who doesn't love saving a few bucks while feeling smart and eco-friendly? With Alexa working her magic, switching between home, away, and sleep modes is as easy as saying, "Hey Alexa." Whether you're chilling at home or gallivanting around town, adjusting the temperature through the Alexa app is a breeze. Installation is a cinch, too. With guidance in the app and customer support, that's just a call away. You'll have it up and running in no time. Backed by Honeywell Home Thermostat technology, the Amazon Smart Thermostat isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in your comfort and the planet's well-being. Say goodbye to temperature tantrums and hello to harmony. Number 4. Google Nest Thermostat, our pick for best smart thermostat for home. Are you on the hunt for a thermostat that not only looks sleek, but also works like a charm? The Nest Thermostat is your new best friend. This stylish gadget doesn't just help you cut down on energy bills, it keeps your home feeling like a cozy haven all day long. With the Nest Thermostat, you're the captain of your climate ship. Easily switch between cooling, heating, and eco modes with just a tap or a slide of your finger. It's like having a personal weather assistant right in your home. While it might not have the advanced learning magic of the Nest Learning Thermostat, it still brings the heat with remote control through the Google Home app and voice commands via Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Sure, there's a bit of a learning curve, but with its intuitive touch sensor, you'll be adjusting the temperature like a pro in no time. Not only that, but with 4 chic finishes to choose from, the Nest Thermostat elevates your home decor while seriously saving you bucks. Installation is a breeze. Choose your method: C-wire, AA batteries, or a power adapter. In short, the Nest Thermostat is your stylish, reliable, and oh-so-affordable solution to keeping your home just the way you like it. So why wait? Let's get cozy. Still searching for the perfect smart thermostat? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Ecobee 3 Lite Smart, our pick for best smart thermostat for beginners. Are you tired of wrestling with your thermostat like it's a wild beast? Say hello to the Ecobee 3 Lite, the smart thermostat that takes the hassle out of climate control. No more shouting or squinting at outdated displays. This sleek device lets you manage your home's temperature with just a tap on its elegant 3.5-inch touchscreen. Who knew comfort could look so good? With the Ecobee 3 Lite, you'll enjoy the magical feature of AC overcool to dehumidify. It cools your home while making it feel like a delightful oasis, tackling that pesky humidity that makes summer feel like a sauna. Say goodbye to clammy days and hello to breezy bliss. Your electric bill may even thank you. Worried about fitting this beauty into your smart home setup? Don't be. The Ecobee 3 Lite plays nicely with most leading smart systems, ensuring that it slips right into your tech ecosystem smoother than your morning coffee. And if you've got a mansion or just enjoy fine-tuning every room, additional sensors can help you create the perfect climate throughout your castle. So, let the Ecobee 3 Lite do the heavy lifting on climate control, while you kick back, relax, and enjoy the temperature of your dreams. Your space is about to become the comfort zone you've always wanted. Number 2. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, our pick for best self-learning AI Smart Thermostat. Are you ready to take control of your home heating like a pro? Say hello to the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Designed by the genius behind the iPod, Tony Fadell, this is not just any thermostat. It's a stylish gadget that brings your living space into the 21st century. Once you hook it up to your Wi-Fi, adjusting the temperature is as easy as a spin of the dial. Forget the confusing programming. This clever little device learns your routines like a loyal pet and automatically keeps your home cozy just how you like it. You can still take charge with manual adjustments, but why bother when the Nest has your back? Worried about those pesky energy bills? Don't sweat it! The Nest has smart sensors that figure out when you're around and when you're not, so it saves energy when you're out. Plus, it plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant, making control as easy as a voice command. And let's not forget those nifty filter change reminders. Sure, the upfront cost may have you thinking twice, but many utility companies offer refunds, making it much less painful. Installation is a breeze, but if you lack a common wire, calling in a pro is a smart move. Unleash the power of the Nest and transform your home into an energy-efficient haven. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, our pick for best smart thermostat overall. Are you tired of battling those pesky hot and cold spots in your home? Enter the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, your new best buddy in the energy-saving game. This Energy Star certified gem can help you pocket up to 26% off your energy bills. That's money for more takeout, or maybe a date night that doesn't involve a microwave. Equipped with smart sensor technology, this thermostat knows exactly which rooms need a little extra love, banishing those uncomfortable temperature extremes to the past. Plus, it's got your back with real-time air quality alerts and handy reminders to swap out that furnace air filter. Cleaner air? Yes, please. Crafted from premium materials, it boasts a large, vibrant display that practically begs to be noticed. And let's talk versatility. With built-in smoke alarm detection and security alerts, you'll be the first to know if things take a turn. Say goodbye to worrying about sudden temperature drops and hello to peace of mind. But wait, there's more. The integrated smart speaker lets you control your home with nothing but your voice, thanks to Siri or Alexa. Want to pump up your favorite Spotify playlist while you cook? Done. Just connect it to your Apple Home Hub, and you're all set. With the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, comfort, efficiency, and a touch of fun are just a command away. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best smart thermostats. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smart thermostat you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.